In this video, I'll be going over why 90% of affiliate marketers fail. More after the intro. You heard me right. I think maybe 90 or 95% of people who start affiliate marketing fail. And today I'm obviously going to be diving into 3 of those biggest reasons, in my opinion, why most affiliate marketers fail. Before you do that, make sure you subscribe to the channel where you get no BS training from me, where I give you my honest opinion, no fluff, no BS, and I want to help you out on your journey. Go over funnel building, affiliate marketing training, copywriting, everything that you really need to know to start your online business. Now, before we even jump into it, if you go to logankramer.com or you click the link down below, make sure you click this right here. This is my #1 recommendation to making money online. I am starting to set up my own course, so that link may change later on, but on this one it'll be right here. That's $7. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel. Here's the free training if you can't afford $7. That's from me. Join the Facebook group as we are growing. If we go to Facebook right here, I'll show you. I want to build up this community so that we can help one another. A lot of times there's other people who have experiences that can help out. There's 235 of us here. I do lives on here. I'll share on my YouTube videos. I'll answer questions. It's a good community, and I know that there's a lot of people that are willing to help on here. So you can always go ahead and join the Facebook group here, and then you can use some of the funnel building things that I have ready for you. So but we're just going to jump right in. Top 3 reasons why most people fail affiliate marketing. I think a big one, which no one really likes to admit, is that they're oversold. A lot of times people are not fit to really start these things. They get sold a dream, and it's just, they think it's easier than it probably is. When it comes down to it, affiliate marketing, you're an online digital freelance marketer. What that means is you work, you put in time, you create content, you put in a blog. And guess what? You don't get paid for it. What you're doing is you're creating content that stays on the internet forever. It's like digital real estate. The more you pump out, the more you help people, the more you generate leads, the more you have people on your email list, which I teach all about that, the more you will profit, what they call passively. But guess what? You have to work. A lot of times people say, hey, set and forget, never do it again. Copy this, $5,000 a month, which some of it is true. Like you can copy, like for example, my funnel that I'll be having for you guys. You can copy it, but guess what? You still need to create content. You still have to work. And so it's just a lot of people are oversold. And their expectations are set so low that this is going to be the easiest thing in the world. There's not going to be any kind of troubles. They're just going to make their first money right away, when in reality it's a process. You're learning new skills. This is legit a business. And so I think that's #1. #2, you do need to invest in yourself to have a real business. For example, you can go to Amazon.com and become an affiliate for them, right? You actually don't have to pay anything. You can just become an affiliate. If you scroll all the way down and you make money with us, you don't have a product to sell, you don't have an app, but you can become an affiliate. So if you click on here, you can sign up and request to be one, right? That does not cost money to do that. But what happens is they give you a link, and if you don't have a funnel, if you don't have an email autoresponder to gain emails, you're not going to go very far. This is just one product out of the hundreds of thousands that you could promote, right? But if you don't have certain tools, if you don't have the right education, a lot of times you have to pay to get that education as well. A lot of times you can get it for free too, but the big drawback about YouTube is when you learn is it's not sequential. What I mean by that is you can search YouTube in this ginormous rabbit hole for forever, but it's not going to be step by step, someone taking your hand. And that's kind of a lot of what courses do, is they make everything in sequential order so that it's step by step and that it's actually actionable. Okay, clarity is huge. So this right here, I'm going to just show you a little bit, just a couple of the things that you actually kind of need for this. So obviously you need to get an education. I'll offer a lot of free trainings, but the ones that literally set me on the right path, I had to pay for, whether that's $7 or, even more, 47, because most people who have valuable information get paid for it, right? So you do need a little bit of education. The next thing is as an affiliate, you at least need a funnel builder and an autoresponder. Okay. Now you can get some of these things for free, right? But the moment you start getting more people on your email list, you're going to have to purchase a higher package, if you will. For example, Get Response. This is an email autoresponder. This is right here. This is the one I use. And with this, you can actually sign up for free. You can have up to 500 people on your list and have it for free. But then you also need a website builder, right? You need a lot of things, and sometimes it costs money. But guess what? Compare this, $7 to learn, $100 a month for funnel builder, and $45 a month for your email autoresponder. Okay, so that's what? Let's just say $150 compared to a real, online marketing is a real business, right? But compare that to opening up a brick and mortar restaurant. Compare that to opening up literally anything that's a business. You're looking at thousands and thousands of dollars. So this is not very much money to get started, but for a lot of people, this is a hurdle. So I think that's why number 2, why people fail is they underestimate how much it kind of costs. Number 3, this one is just, it's pretty simple, but a lot of people just quit when I've said this time and time again with a lot of my friends. Online digital marketing, affiliate marketing, anything with a business, it's kind of like gold mining, right? You have your pick and you're out there mining. Then you sometimes look around and you see a bunch of people hitting gold. You see people making money, and you said, what's going on here? They only started last month. How is it that they're making all this money? And then you're sitting there plowing away, for 3 or 4 months, and you still haven't made any money. Or maybe you haven't made that much. Is that bad? No. They just struck gold a little bit earlier than you. The thing is affiliate marketing in general is a long-term profitability. What that means is the more digital real estate you own, as far as YouTube videos, Pinterest, TikTok, Instagram, all those different things, you can start to own a little piece of the market. But if you only do it for a month or 2, you're going to fail. You're going to fail. You need to give yourself time to develop and learn. So I think that's number 3. Now the bonus, the bonus right here, I think a lot of people are just uneducated. So they become affiliate marketers, but they just don't know what they're doing. And, people learn over time, right? YouTube is a good place. But you want to get mentors. You want to get people who have already made it. I'm a big advocate for don't reinvent the wheel, right? You don't have to try all these things for the first time by yourself. And that's what everyone pays for in life. You pay for convenience. You pay for shortcuts. And that's why these things are kind of valuable. So anyways, that's why my biggest 3 reasons why I think people fail in affiliate marketing. Now, if you don't have some of these problems, then you should just keep going with your full steam ahead and become a part of the community, like I said, and ask questions and get funnels and promote products and services that you love, because it's just a amount of time before you strike gold. So that's all I wanted to share with you guys today. We'll talk to you guys later. Have a good one. Bye.